Hey everybody, what's up? It's Steven the KC Railpan here. I haven't done one of these videos in a long time, which is basically where I update you guys on like some new locomotives and rolling stock to the layout. So, just recently I've been getting some new rolling stock today because I might take a break from locomotives for now until like maybe in July until I get some more new locomotives because I still have a couple of like pre-orders from like Scale Trains and I think some from like Train World and all that stuff. So, anyways, I have lots of new rolling stock I want to show you. So let's get on with it. So first up that's new is this covered hopper. This is probably a new release from Intermountain. It's a Southern Pacific. I think it's a 4650 grain hopper. Because depending on what hatches they have on the roof, depends on what it is. Because this one's probably a grain hopper. So it's Southern Pacific. This is it's really nice. This is perfect to add to my Union Pacific manifest. So yeah. And next car I have is a Union Pacific hopper. This is a 54 Pullman Standard 4427 CD covered hopper. It's really nice because I really like these covered hoppers because I have a few, like I have Burlington Northern, I've got a Cargill, which is the one I use on my KCS screen train. It's a really nice car. It's nicely detailed, and what I really like is the gray trucks, which matches with the freight car with this hopper. Yeah, super cool, really nice. And then I have two of the newest releases from Walter's Mainline. These are the 53-foot smooth side gondolas. These are both Penn Centrals, and as you know, both of them have the same road number, so what I plan on doing is I might renumber one of these since I can have my very own road number. These are really nice cars. And yeah, I'm really glad that Walter's announced these because I might get more of these because I might also get like Norfolk Southern and all of them I might get. And then I also have another gondola right here. This is a Conrail version, so perfect to add to my Norfolk Southern freight train, or also might add these to my like BNSF or UP because I've seen some Conrail gondolas on BNSF freights. So moving on, this is a Union Pacific 50-foot FMC offset double door boxcar, and the Union Pacific yellow, because I know these yellow painted Union Pacific boxcars are really hard to find on Union Pacific freight trains because I have seen a few of them in person, but they're just extremely rare to be found out in person, out in the rails. And this is a really cool car. It's got the silver trucks, just like this one has well, this is gray. It looks silver to me. It's a really nice car. I love the yellow and the large Union Pacific logo. Everything. Anyways, Athearn does a really good job with this. Even though this is actually in the older Athearn Radio Roll packaging. And right here is a Southern Pacific boxcar. Because as you know, these two boxcars are both double door boxcars. I got Southern Pacific with the Hydra cushion scheme on it. This is a really nice car. Here, I can pick it up, as you can see. Because I know there's a few of these Southern Pacific boxcars still hanging around on Union Pacific trains. So, it's a really nice addition to the layout. And now, my last freight car I want to show you. This is a Union Pacific gondola. This is actually a previous run. This is a 53-foot configurated side gondola. Because I know there's lots of schemes available in this, like they got BN, ATSF, NS, and all sorts of great schemes. So, yeah, this is a really nice car. Because most of these cars are used to be added to my Union Pacific manifest I'm currently making. So, yeah, so 1, 4, 5. There's a total of 8 new freight cars I got recently. It's a great way to start off the summer. But yeah. So far no new locomotives currently, except my recently reviewed of the CSX SD40-3, which I reviewed back in like mid-May. So after all, I think this is a great haul of freight cars, because what's next on my list for freight cars, I'm gonna expand my KCS grain train, so I'm gonna get some more grain hoppers for that, so more grain hoppers for my KCS grain train, and hopefully some more KCS locomotives in the future. So yeah, so basically this is all the rolling stock update so far. Yeah, I'm really satisfied with all the new rolling stock I have. Yeah, this is really cool. So now let's move on to some locomotive updates I've done. Alright, so some things I've done to my locomotives lately. For my Norfolk Southern BS4AC, this is a Walter manual, I managed to install a PTC antenna on top of it, because Norfolk Southern usually adds PTC antennas on their locomotives nowadays. And this is an Athearn Genesis PTC antenna for GE locomotives. I've had this sitting around here for quite a while, and then haven't gotten around thinking about which locomotive I want to install on. I finally decided to install on my Norfolk Southern ES44AC. So I think it turned out really nice. I did a good job painting up the black and everything. So there's still more detailing I gotta do on this. Like I might need to install train line hoses, and I need to fix the front handrail, because that's not correct. So that's basically what I've done. Because I thought adding the PTC antenna makes it more realistic. So with that out of the way, next is my CS. I haven't done anything to my CSX AC400, but I have something going on, a project I might be doing. Because basically, since it has the YN3B logo on the sides, on the front end and the back end, I decided that it would be possible to get rid of the front logo and replace it with the boxcar logo to make it more realistic. Because I know that Athearn Roundhouse has announced that the CSX sticker and emblem units, and they have the boxcar logos on them, but I'm not too much of a fan of the sticker and emblem units, but I might think about getting them, even though they're not actually heritage units. Which CSX actually made actual heritage units. So I'm gonna try to remove the front end as well as the back end on my CSX AC400 number 356. This is for those who don't know what this is. This is an Athearn unit. So far I installed the PTC antenna, and future project I have going on is replacing the front end and the rear end of my CSX AC400 with the boxcar logo to make it look realistic and correct. So basically the new rolling stock and just the 2 locomotive updates and some future plans I have going on. So yeah, so that's basically some of the updates that's going on in the layout. So just the new rolling stock and locomotive updates, and then upcoming projects I have coming on in the future. So yeah, so that's all that I want to share with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll leave you guys with a run by with some of the new rolling stock for the Union Pacific Manifest, and thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye.